Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix, cannot create the Java virtual machine. So without further ado, let's get started. So what you need to do here on search, you just need to write view, advanced system settings. Here, be sure to be on advanced section, go to environment variables, and then on the this option here, you need to select new, and then here you need to write like this, Java options with the capitals. And then another one is dash xmx 512m. Press OK. OK again. And then open up CMD. Right click on it, run as admin. And here you need to write ipconfig /flush DNS. And another one is ip config space / renew. And after that, you just need to write the third command, that is GPU update. And with the one you update, right? And after that, after it's completed, updating policy, you just need to restart your computer and your problem is fixed. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.